Hey guys, so welcome back. So I just wanted to come in and show you guys some love. First of all, I hope everybody's doing well during this craziness, because the Southerners don't say anything but all that stuff that's going on. Anyway, so I hope everybody's doing well with all this going on. And today I've been reflecting on, past week I've been reflecting on how I feel physically with all the crap that I've been eating. To be honest with you, it's been a lot of crap. I've been just eating for no reason, not even hungry, just bored. Anyway, eating out of boredom. So I'm gonna do a little gut cleanse, and I'm gonna show you that today. So it calls for green apple juice, like fresh squeezed green apple juice, ginger root juice, lemon juice, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and water, and sea salt. So I'm going to show you how I do it, and I just want to show you a little trick right quick. Anyway, I'm going to show you a trick, but I also want to say, if you're enjoying this channel and everything that I'm posting on this channel, please continue to watch. And if you want to see the rest of this video, please obviously continue to watch, and please go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, and the notification button so we can keep coming back and enjoying these videos. Alright, so first of all, my little trick is, when you have your juicer, put one of these little bags, the little grocery bags, not the coronavirus infected one, no, not the coronavirus, a little bag, and put your bag in there so that it collects all of your fibers from the juicer. Alright, I'm going to cut my green apples into halves or quarters to put them in there, depending on how big your apple is. Then we just push start. Well, I say push start. You gotta be kidding me, my juicer's not working. Okay, now that I got my juicer working, so we're gonna throw in our green apples and smush them down with the little smusher thingamajigger, and let them do their thing, let them juice. And I'm using just regular green apples, but you want to try to use organic green apples if you can find them. Break up your ginger and put it in the juicer. Alright, so like I said, you're going to break up your ginger and then put it into your juicer. Typically, I like to shave my ginger before I put it in the juicer. I just use the edge of a spoon and just shave off the shell of the ginger root. But today I was feeling lazy, so I did what I did and I didn't shave it. So you just make a juice. There you go. And juice from a lemon. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make a cup of this. I got my cup and I've heated up the water in the microwave for just a minute to warm it up. You're gonna need a half a cup measure, and you're gonna need 1 teaspoon measure and a half a teaspoon measure. You'll need salt, coarse ground salt. Let me find mine. I should have did this before. You're gonna need coarse sea salt, the fresh squeezed lemon juice, the fresh squeezed ginger, and the fresh squeezed apple juice. So you're gonna do first I'm gonna do a half teaspoon of the salt, so that way it'll melt when I put the water in. Ooh, there we go. Half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to do a half a cup of the apple juice. I should put the water in first, but whatever, it's fine. Okay, half a cup of the warm water. Let me not burn myself. There we go. Spills it everywhere. Then you're going to do 1 teaspoon, excuse me, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Okay. And then you're gonna, I forgot, you need a tablespoon measure. Then you're gonna do 2 tablespoons of the lemon juice. Okay, mix that all up, and you'll drink this once before breakfast when you wake up. Drink this and a cup of water, 8-ounce cup of water. Then you'll do it after you have breakfast, once after you have breakfast, and then you're gonna have a really big shit. Truth. Then you'll do it once after lunch and then once after dinner. This will get your colon and your gut feeling clean. This is a colon cleanse. It'll get your gut feeling clean and delicious. Promise. I'm gonna drink it on camera because it does taste good. The ginger burns just a little bit, not a lot. I like my water just to be a little bit cooler. So if you want to use tap water, hot tap water, I've done that before. Just make sure you put your salt in and then your water first. But it's so good.